Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can draw in Photopea. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Photopea, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find all of the sections. Right here, you're gonna find the home section, this device, Pia Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and so on. And here in the center, you're going to find new project, open from computer, templates, and install Photopea. Go ahead and click on your project. And then once you do that right here, you're going to find some templates that you can use for your project. Here you're going to find the option to choose a name for your project. You can choose the width, the height, DPI, and also the background for your project. Right here, you can choose the size for your picture. For example, right now I'm going to go to screen and then choose any size from here. For example, I'm going to choose this size and then click on create. And as you can see guys, now the project is created. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the tools that you need in order to customize your images. So right now, for example, I'm going to go to file and then open a picture from my computer. So for example, I'm going to choose this one. And now as you can see guys, it's added. So right now, if you want to draw on your picture, you can go, for example, to brush tool. And then as you can see, guys, you can draw anything that you want. And then as you can see, guys, right here, once you do that, if you go here to the top, you can find the blend mode. You can find the opacity, flow, smoothness, and all of the settings that you will need. So basically, guys, once you finish drawing on your picture, if you want to save the changes, just go to File, and then you're going to find Save right here. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.